So I'm here finally where returns are, and this return right here is totally loose. I guess that's where the dust gets in. It needs to be screwed all around, and it's not. It's just feel and stick, and as I feel it underneath, it's the same thing. There is no screws, and it has to be mastic all around. This one has 1 screw, 2 screws, and the screw on this side fell off, so it's gonna peel off sooner or later. There is no screw here, and there is no screw there either. There's like one far away. What about right here? So this is a problem, that I'm getting dust all the time. Look at that right there. Yeah, and it needs to be mastic around as well. So this guy is a problem, big one, same way as this guy over there.